Welcome to the Chiefs Arena. This is your latest Kaizer Chiefs news. Sibongiseni Mthethwa out for at least 2 months with an injury after undergoing a surgery. Look, if you're familiar with this channel, you know I don't rate Sibongiseni Mthethwa. I think he's a good ball winner, but in terms of playing the ball, I think he's terrible. Yeah, I think he's terrible. But that doesn't mean I'd wish for him to get injured. I know he's an important player in the coach's eyes. Whenever he's fit, he's a starter. So it's going to be a huge blow, especially in the coach's eyes. I think they are going to have a serious headache over this injury. But this means now we'll see Chabotele playing as a number 6, which is where he played his best football so far at Kaizer Chiefs last season when he was playing as a 6. Yes, I know he's not that good defensively. He's not good, in fact, defensively. But on the ball, he's miles better than Sibongiseni Mthethwa. That's why I prefer to play him as the 6 over Sibongiseni Mthethwa, even when they are both fit. I'd play Chabotele as the number 6. Maybe when I wanna lock the game, then I may play Sibongiseni Mthethwa as the 6, Chabotele as the number 8. Cele has not been at his best so far this season. He's been playing as an 8 for most of the games. He's been struggling. So this is a chance for him to redeem himself and probably maybe reclaim that position, and maybe we might see him being the permanent number 6 even when Sibongiseni Mthethwa returns. But there's still Thulani Mabaso on the mix, who's just been promoted to the first team. He's a defensive midfielder. I'm not really familiar with his game, but he's a highly rated player. I haven't watched even 5 games of him, so I can't, judge him right now. I still have to see him more, but sounds like a good player, very, very highly rated. So he's going to compete with Chabotele, and I don't think we should be rushing Thulani Mabaso. I think we should slowly integrate him into the team. Let's not throw him in the deep end. And I don't want to get overexcited about him, because who knows, maybe it could be yet another Samgelo Zwane, Sabelo Khatebe, and all those players, because we've not been lucky in recent years when it comes to these youngsters. So let's hope Thulani Mabaso will be a bang. I just hope Chabotele is going to ball in that 6 role, because when Chabotele is on the mood, the team, he makes the team play, man. Like, he always avails himself in the build up, can carry the ball, he breaks the line, man. He's complete. Maybe the only thing he's lacking is his defensive work. His defensive work is not that great, more especially compared to what Mthethwa does on the field. He wins the ball, breaks up play, but in terms of playing, mate, Chabotele is head and shoulders above. So if we can set up in a way which won't expose us in the middle of the park, if we dominate games, if we press, if we are on our best, no team is going to run us through in the midfield. So let's see what happens. Sibongiseni Mthethwa out for at least 2 months. Thulani Mabaso promoted to the first team. Smash a like. Let me know your thoughts down on the comment section. Thanks for watching. I'm out.